Hello scale modelers! Welcome to episode 5 of our MiG-21 video build. In this video we are going to weather the model, but first comes a layer of clear varnish to protect the metallics. Next I applied the decals. I used decal setting solution to help me adjust the decals and then bond them to the surface. These decals are aftermarket and are very thin, but they are also very brittle. I had to be very cautious. I used Q-tip to remove the excess solution and then press the decal in position. Since the decals didn't want to get inside the panel lines, I had to cut them with a scalpel blade, and then use strong decal softening solution to tuck them in neatly. After the decals were done, I applied another coat of clear varnish to protect them. Next, it was time to apply wash in all nooks and crannies. For this model I chose dark grey wash from Ammo by MiG. To apply it, I used long bristle brush because it holds more liquid. If you like my videos, make sure you get subscribed and hit that notification bell. Don't miss another video. After the product dried, I removed it using makeup applicator sponge. With almost no pressure, I dragged the sponge along the airflow on the horizontal surfaces. On the vertical surfaces, I used top to bottom motion. The rockets also received treatment with panel line wash. This time it was sky grey. Here I removed the excess wash using small cotton swab due to the tight spaces around the fins. For the next step of the weathering process, I masked the front panel lines of some panels. Then, using highly diluted black paint, I applied a gradient fading away from the panel line. If you want exclusive content and to be significant part of the community, consider becoming a patron. Link in your upper right corner and in the description below. Other panel lines were post-shaded freehand using the same mixture. For the area over the engine nozzle, I did subtle burnt metal effect using filters. Blue filter for the forward panels and brown filter for the back panels. The effect is very subtle and hard to see, but it is there and adds to the overall composition. To imitate streaks of dirt, I will use two oil brusher colors. First, I decanted some Starship Field and applied small dots using dental absorbent paper points. Then, using flat brush, I dragged the dots along the airflow. I blended the streaks to get subtle effect. Where I wanted more pronounced streaks, I manipulated the oil holding the tip of the brush parallel to the streak. The second color I used was Starship Bay Sludge and it was applied in the same fashion as the previous color. No weathering can be complete without some work on the decals. To give them faded and worn look, I used mixture of flat clear and white paint, which I applied with fine brush. modify the green panels, I applied small amounts of yellow oil paint and blended it in with a flat brush. The process was carried out in several steps for better control over the final appearance. With this step, we conclude the weathering stage. In the sixth and final episode, we are going to do the final assembly of the model. Make sure you will not miss it. Hit the subscribe button and the notification icon so you can get notified for my new videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy modeling!